You already know we out here, man. And welcome back to my channel. My name is Marlon, and if you're new, my name is Marlon.
Bruh.
And as you can tell by the title of this video, today I have a new product for you guys. The perfect product for you guys. So recently I just tried out this product that contained Jamaican black castor oil. You guys may have heard of Jamaican black castor oil somewhere. And heard that it promotes hair growth, or like it's good for your skin. It just has a whole bunch of benefits, you know. So I decided to try out this product right here, the Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask by Shea Moisture. When I saw the container and I saw Jamaican black castor oil, I was like, I need to try this out and let you guys know how it goes. I know it says mask, it's a treatment mask, but I got some thick hair, man. I got some thick hair, and well, I just used this as a leave-in and came out amazing. I did my normal routine, the shampoo and conditioner. For the shampoo, I used the Aussie shampoo, and for the conditioner, the Aussie conditioner. Alright? And if you're curious about how my actual full routine looks without the new product that I'm trying today, you can just click on the link in the description, or it's going to be above. So after the shampoo and conditioner, I basically just put the leave-in detangling milk and comb out my hair with the Tango Teaser. I actually did a video on this item. I use this every wash day now. This is the best detangler. So after I comb out my hair, I go in with the Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask, as I mentioned earlier in the video. And me, if a product doesn't smell good, I'm not gonna buy it. This product right here, bro. Look at it. Look at that. It smells like coffee beans. I think that's what the castor oil is. It's like the roasted beans. But this thing smells so good. And as you can see, when I put this in my hair, I don't have to put a large amount of this. I just need to put a little bit, and it just spreads throughout my hair. It's crazy. It's very concentrated and a thick product, so I recommend it for 3C, 4A, 4B, and 4C. Yeah, Jamaican black castor oil, you feel me? You know the vibes. After I put that mask in my hair, I go in with this spray right here, the Strengthen and Restore Anti-Breakage Spray. So after I apply this product to my hair, I just scrunch it, you know? I flip my head over, scrunch it, and when I squeeze my hair, I gotta make sure I feel that moisture. And if I don't feel like any product coming out, you gotta apply some more, bro. So after I apply all the products, I put on my gray cap, and it's been 4 hours, man. I usually wait only 1 hour, but it's been 4 hours. So I think it's time to take it off and see the results. How does it look? Looks real good. Let me do a 360. Alright, so let me stand up real quick. So now I'm just going to be picking out my hair. And if you don't know already, you should be picking out from your roots to avoid the frizzy ends. Nobody wants the frizzy ends. I just pick out until I get the desired hair shape. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the routine. This is pretty much the final product, and I love it. I hope you guys love it too, and you guys can leave this video with a new product in mind, you know? Try it out, see if it works for your hair. If it works, add it to your routine, you feel me? And don't forget what I said now. If you have a thick hair and you're looking for products and you see that it says mask on the container, bro, use that thing as a leave-in conditioner, yo. That's just the ultimate moisturizer. And yeah, I know you guys see me growing out the beard, you feel me? Let me know down in the comments if you like it, because I'm gonna grow this out like LeBron James. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. You know, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments, please. And yeah, stay safe. You already know we out here, and you already know we out here.
If you could send me anything at the moment, you could send love. Tired of using medications to cope with pain. No, don't you send drugs.